Hi everyone. We know that the price is a major determinant of demand, but in this video we'll be learning several other factors affecting demand. The first one is change in the taste and fashion. The demand for some goods and services makes very effective to change in the taste and preference. The second one is change in the weather. An unusually dry summer results in an increase in the demand for cool drinks. The third one is taxation and subsidies. If fresh taxes are levied or existing rates of taxation on commodity are increased, their price goes up. The subsidies will bring down the prices. Therefore, taxes reduce the demand and subsidies raises the demand. The fourth one is change in the expectation. Expectations also brings a change in the demand. Expectation of rise in price in future results in increase in demand. The fifth one is change in the savings. Savings and demand are inversely related. Sixth one is state of trade activity. During the period of boom and prosperity, the demand for commodity tends to increase. The next one is advertisement. In advanced capitalist countries, advertising is a powerful instrument increasing the demand of market. Eighth one, change in the income. An increase in a family income may increase the demand for durable goods like video recorder, refrigerator, etc. Equal distribution of income enables poor to get more income. As a result, consumption level goes on increasing. The next one is change in population. The demand for goods depends on the size of the population. An increase in the population tends to increase in the demand for goods, and decrease in the population tends to decrease the demand. Thank you.